Hey guys, so I opened up my studio today to help a friend of mine's husband who's been struggling with plantar fasciitis. That's the heel pain that you have when you go to walk or run or cycle or anything, right? It can really be difficult to recover and heal from that. So what I was able to do with him today was perform a postural analysis, check out that plumb line on the side of the body, like your profile. And what we figured out was he was really jammed up with his stance. So his knees were absolutely hyperextended when he was just standing up straight, just regularly standing. So a lot of the pressure that when he was walking and running he was taking in his feet and therefore his back. So his knees hurt, his hips were hurting as a result of that. So what we could do is we got on foam roller, we alleviated the tightness in the calves. We did some bridging. We got out the flex bands, long flex bands to stretch the feet. I also gave him a to-do list in terms of ways to stretch the feet at home. And then I put him on reformer and we did leg work. I moved his feet in different positions on the foot bar, strengthening the muscles of the legs without harming the knees and the hips. And of course we did feet in straps at the end to get an amazing stretch. So anyway, I'm pumped up and I just wanted to let you know that I love helping people get out of pain. And just because you're getting older does not mean that you have to stop doing the things you love to do. All right? I firmly believe that. So have a great day. Bye.